is a problem prevalent in the community and it needs to be addressed. And the turnout that we had today shows that we are very serious about addressing it.
Our community is more vulnerable than the other communities. And that vulnerability can be attributed to economic deprivation, social exclusion, the community being new to the country.
Most of these people are coming from communities where most of the young boys are not growing up with a sense of confidence about who they are, what their purpose is, what they could be contributing.
You have a lot of unaddressed problems that have been brewing and have grown from the conflicts back home.
I think we have to spot it very early on when somebody's turning to extremism. So as parents, as families, it's our responsibility to watch that.
Thinking has to change. And that's what
So let's say I'm Muslim, I do something.
We own all the problems, but we'd never try to own the solutions. There's nothing wrong with saying to the government, you know what, that doesn't work. That is wrong. Because at the end of the day, what's good for the government is good for us and vice versa.
The number one thing you can do to help is help to instill confidence in that child. If we're able to instill a sense of purpose and confidence, they will get up and learn, they will get up and do things, and they will become less vulnerable.
Us as a community, we should promote alternative narrative and counter-narrative to the radical narrative.
I constantly tell them that the world is yours. You can be whatever you want to be. I believe in you. I trust you. I want you to succeed. How many times do you hear a Somali family telling that to their kids? We've found a way forward of discussing difficult topics in an open way and in an open-minded way especially.
It brings young people into an arena and allows them to raise their concerns from their background and from their contextual understanding of the situation. And that is absolutely pivotal to whatever solution that we might come up with.